Hello and welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's make some almond tortillas. Okay, so I wanted tortillas, so I'm gonna make some. First off, add the dry ingredients to a blender. Once they're all in there, start it up and then add one lightly beaten egg. It needs to be a medium egg, not too big. And then add a little bit of water at a time. I added about 2.5 tablespoons. Let it work between the water, adding the water, and just wait for it to form a ball and then removing itself from the sides of the blender. Then you want a slightly sticky dough, but you don't want to get messy. Put it on some cling film, wrap it up, massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and put it in the fridge. At least 10 minutes. I actually made it the night before, so it had been lying there for about 24 hours. That turned out to be really good. Then I divided my piece into eight tortillas. Using a tortilla press, this is the first time I made them, so I didn't really think about it, but they did turn out slightly thick, so I'm going to use a rolling pin next time. They are really pliable and, well, just small tortillas. I'm using some inner thigh wild hog or boar for this, some avocado, tomato, salad, and then I'm just adding a dollop of mayo and some of the rub that I used for the pork. Anyway, time for a taste test.
There we go, first time making tortillas. I'm gonna try these out. I didn't make them that big, but then I can eat a couple more because the serving isn't that big. That's really nice. The wild boar that I used is perfect for tacos. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.